8 habits of people with a magnetic personality and how to master them. Hello everyone. For starters, people who have magnetic personalities are usually funny, witty, and may even be very understanding with a great dress sense. These are some of the things that attract people to them. Because of these traits, they can easily be good leaders and great salesmen. Maybe you have admired one or two persons with a charming personality, and you wonder if you have some of these traits yourself. The good thing is, you don't have to be a natural charmer to be one with a magnetic personality. Cover all or some of the habits in this video, and you'll learn some of it. But before that, please help this channel to gain more vibration by clicking that like button below. And do subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Self-confidence. For you to be loved by others, you must first love and believe in yourself. And this is one thing charming personalities possess: self-love, self-confidence, and self-worth. Otherwise, people won't respect them. Charismatic and charming personalities have built a deep level of confidence with themselves. They know their strengths and weaknesses and are not afraid or ruled by their shortcomings. They use their strength to their advantage and work on their weaknesses instead of being ashamed of it. Witty and funny. These are strong pulls that attract people towards them. They know how to make a dark day seem bright. Cool to be around with. People are always drawn to them because they know the right words to say that will make everyone laugh or be happy or have fun and put them at ease. It is what they naturally love doing, and they do it selflessly. You can hardly find them in a dull environment if they can't change the mood. They would leave because they can't cope. Bursting with positive energy. They are so full of positive energy that it rubs off on those around them. You can hardly have a dull moment with one who attracts people to themselves. Their positivity is another thing that draws people near, and they don't hesitate to put their positive energy to good use. To make people happy, make the job easier, help out, and make others want to help out, and make a significant change. Good with words. Their mouth is also an asset, and they use it to their advantage. They can sweet talk you and make you forget their offense, shower praises and give compliments, talk you into doing something enthusiastic and encourage you to do a thing. Motivating. Their energy, drive, and charisma make them catch people's attention and make them natural motivators. People are greatly drawn to them and look up to them because not only do they catch attention with their words and attitudes, they are also great listeners and helpers. Knowledgeable. Most of them know one or two things about every topic you bring. No wonder they relate well with different classes, personalities, and levels of life. Because of this, they're able to connect with people better. Optimistic. They always look at the positive over the negative and believe in good over evil. It can sometimes make them trivialize bad. However, this is great most times. It usually spurs people too. And real. They hardly fake who they are to get people attracted. They are natural charmers and are real about who they are. So, being genuine is very important if you want to possess a magnetic personality. That way, people will naturally be attracted to you. Well, what do you think of this video, guys? Don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel and watch more insightful videos in the future. Thanks for watching.